Today I'll be going up to Michigan to do some boar hunting. But unlike any other hunt I've been on, today we'll be doing this one in a record-breaking snowstorm. Me and my brother are the ones shooting, so make sure to stay to the end to figure out how it goes. Originally I was hoping to do spot and stalk, but that wasn't going to happen with the snow, so my brother was set up with his crossbow, and I was set up with my gun, and now we're going to see what happens.
Let's wait for a good one here. These guys should. You want me to open it? Slow, hold on. That's a big one. You want Grant to take that big one? That's up to Grant. You want that big one? You can't get more than that's a good one. Oh yeah, that's the one you want.
No, there's still more coming though.
Oh, there's a big furry one. How we get on that one, Grant? You're all fighting. I don't know where that big one went.
I need a glove.
How long will this record? Okay.
Once the pigs were there, they stood there for a while and they kept moving around, but they kept getting in line of each other, so I couldn't take the shot. That's when I decided to wait for the biggest one to come out, and if it does, then I'm going to take a shot at it. So after much waiting, this finally happened.
Is that the one right there?
The one to the right.
Oh, he's out there.
Get ready. That's the big one. Right there.
Right there.
His face. Right, take your time. Take your time and let him have it.
Shoot.
Yeah, shoot him. Take your time. Real good beat on him. Don't rush the shot. Up the leg. Got him.
Oh! He's down.
He's down.
Is he down?
He's down. Real good beat on him. Don't rush the shot. Up the leg. Way to go, Grant.
Yes!
Good job. He knows that. How did it feel?
Felt awesome.
First wild boar.
Yep.
It only went about 30 yards and we saw it fall, but we went out there with our tracking dog to see if he could find a wild boar.
There he is, Grant. Good job, buddy.
Oh my god.
There. Remember we tracked him. Oh boy, Rem. Oh, there's some good bacon there.
Wow.
Oh gosh. Good lord, is that thing big. Gonna have a lot of bacon. Oh, is that a big pig? Hey, Gran, see what you got.
I don't know if I can hold him up.
Look at me. Holy cow.
When we got back that day, we weighed it and it was 210 pounds. And now that I got mine and our time was running short because of the snowstorm, my brother decided that he's okay with shooting one with a gun. But all of a sudden, they sensed something was wrong and they decided to leave.
They
But after a little bit, they came back from a different direction, and this time they were in crossbow range.
You gotta do something. Do the bow. See if you can do it. That last one. You gotta grab the arrow. It's above here.
I can't video. It's so.
Video or no?
I can't see it.
Find a big one and shoot it. That one, that big one, yeah. Second shot. Yeah. Oh, you hit the blind. You hit the blind.
But most of the pigs didn't really know what happened, so they just kept on going, and my brother pulled out the rifle to see if he could get one.
All this way out the window. I thought it was good. There's one behind it. Yeah, the one that's all alone. That's a good one. On the right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna shoot it. Look here. Everybody stay. Not yet, not yet. Everybody stay. Take your time. What happened? I don't know. Yeah, should I shoot him again? Wait, no. Where is he? He's got blood all over him. He's about to tip. There he goes. Oh, yes! Oh, nice. That's right there. Awesome. Wow. Oh, I didn't know where he went.
Your dog or? Yeah.
That's a real blonde looking one. That's cool looking.
Did you see that storm now what's coming? Yeah. That's cool.
So my brother's boar ended up weighing 180 pounds. And even though we both wanted to try spot and stalk or shooting one with a crossbow, we both had a lot of fun still, and many memories were made. Hi everybody, I'm here with today's Bible verse. Today it's from 2 Timothy 1 verse 7. It says, "For God gave us a spirit not of fear, but of power and love and self-control." What this means to me is that God didn't give us a spirit that creates fear, but actually a spirit that controls fear.